Sources of information. Internal information. With a business, each department produces information which is valuable to other departments. Often, putting the information together right across the business gives valuable insights to the senior management of the company. Here we can give examples of different departments you may find in a business with a short explanation on what they do. The administration department. In some organisation, some or all of the data production tasks mentioned are done and or stored by central administration department. Financial department. Information about revenues or income, cost of expenditure, assets or capital items, liabilities or known future costs and investments. Manufacturing department. Information about what resources are used and the timescale in which input products are turned into output products. Marketing department. Information on the organisation customers, either individual or grouped by category of customer. May also be responsible for the definition and description of the products and how these are grouped as brands. Personal HR Human Resources Department. Information about the people that the organisation employs, such as the contact details and skills. Purchasing department. Information based on purchase orders about who supplies which product to the organisation, how often and for what price. External information. There is also a lot of information available externally to organisations that can help them in their decision making. Here are some examples. Commercial provided databases. Many information businesses take publicity available data, add in their knowledge of an industry and process that information to provide information. A simple example is newspaper publishing. Most newspapers make their current content available free on the internet. They can profit from the archives by adding powerful search functions and then charging for searches for groups of holistic stories. Government. Many governments, both central and local, require organisations to provide them with a great deal of data. Once the government processed and summarised this data, the information can often be reused. However, as it's produced primarily for government information purposes, this is not always timely or detailed enough for other uses. Research. Many consultants with a deep knowledge of a particular industry know exactly where to look and who to contact to find information. Organisations can use this external research to find advice or information to improve their decisions. Trade grouping. Almost all trades have formed groupings of businesses in the trade to influence others for the benefits of their trade. Case study: trade grouping. A good example of trade grouping is the IATA, or International Air Transport Association, which is the trade grouping for the airline industry. Its aims are summarised as follows. IATA, simplified travel processing for passengers. IATA allow airlines to operate safely, securely, efficiently and economically. IATA serves as an intermediary between airlines and passenger agents. A large network of suppliers gathered by IATA provides solid expertise to airlines in a variety of industry solutions. IATA informs governments about the complexities of the aviation industry to ensure better long-term decisions. Now let's analyse the above by asking a simple question that will help us to understand the type of information available. What information might the IATA supply to its member airlines? So we can see that IATA allows the airlines to operate safely, securely, efficiently and economically. IATA serves as an intermediary between airlines and passenger agents. A large network of suppliers gathered by IATA provides solid expertise to the airlines in a variety of industry solutions. What information might IATA supply to its passengers? IATA simplifies the travel process for passengers. What information IATA supply to governments? IATA informs governments about the complexities of the aviation industry to ensure better long-term decisions. Reliability of data sources. There are many sources of data, both good and bad, so it is important to understand how reliable your data sources are. Obviously, data from a reliable source can be trusted, and so important decisions can be based upon it. Usually, the most reliable data is that which you or your organisation has created, but often the need is for external data that can be used to help plan operations or assist in other decision making. The old adage, "you get what you pay for," can apply here, with free data being particularly suspect, although the government does publish a lot of trustworthy data. There are many commercial databases that an organisation can choose to purchase from their providers, especially if the data has direct relevance, such as detailed information about potential clients in a geographical area. Reliability is often related to quality, so a large targeted dataset from a trustworthy source can be valuable to an organisation.